Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with an interesting question. Today's question is why is learning English important? Most of the English learners have this question in their mind and they are looking forward to the answer of this question. If you are one of them, then watch the video till the end. In this video, I will share the reasonable answer of this question. So without any delay, let's start the video. English is not important for a single reason. English is important for many reasons. In today's globalized world, English has become the universal language of communication. It is spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide and the official or co-official language in more than 60 countries. By learning English, you can open doors of countless opportunities. English is the language of business, science, technology, and travel. It gives you a competitive edge in the job market, allowing you to connect with employers and clients from all over the world. Moreover, learning English enables you to access a vast amount of knowledge and resources. The internet is predominantly in English, with the majority of websites and research papers written in the English language. Being proficient in English allows you to navigate through this wealth of information and stay updated in various fields. Finally, learning English helps you connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds. It fosters understanding, empathy, and friendship. You can bridge gaps and build relationships with people from all walks of life. So don't wait any longer. Just start from today and unlock the endless possibilities that come with learning English. Learning a new language can be an exciting and a rewarding journey. But it also comes with challenges. What are some of the challenges you may face when learning a language like English? The first and biggest challenge is overcoming the fear of making mistakes. And it's natural to feel self-conscious when you speak a language you are not yet fluent in. And it's important to remember that making mistakes are a part of learning process. So do mistakes proudly, because mistakes are proof that you are learning. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. But always try to avoid making same mistakes again and again, so that you can improve. Second challenge is finding the time and motivation to study consistently. Learning a language requires dedication and regular practice. Finding a study routine that works for you and sticking with it can help overcome this challenge. Third challenge is grammar. English grammar can be quite complex. Understanding and applying grammar correctly can be a challenge. But with the right resources and practice, it can be conquered. One tiny request: if you feel that you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching.